Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. And now my peeps, please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now I'm gonna make a super healthy smoothie or drink, however you want to call it. All right, I'm gonna make some raspberry watermelon. Drink this, guys, for long life. It's gonna clean and boost your immune system. All right. Watermelon, guys, it's a good heart health. It's good for your skin. It's good for your inside and out. Raspberry here, guys. Raspberry has potassium, magnesium, omega-3, good for heart health, good to prevent stroke and heart attack and all of that. All right, help to regulate your blood pressure and also your blood sugar. It's a superfood. Drink these for long life. All right, you can drink them together, separately, it doesn't matter. All right, my peeps, so let's get blending, and I'm gonna put a little bit of ginger. All right, nothing too fancy. So I'm not gonna blend all. I'm gonna blend like a cup. You wanna grab some watermelon and you wanna grab some raspberries, about a handful each to make a cup, right? You don't want to overdo it. And I'm only gonna add a little bit of ginger powder. You can skip it, you can use the natural ginger, and some water. You're gonna drink everything. All right, guys, just gonna add like a cup or a glass of water. All right, I'm also gonna add some ice to it, and that's it. Let's blend away, guys. And that's it. You can strain it if you want, guys, but I'm gonna drink it as is. All right, my peeps, you can make it for your other half or a friend, or drink it 2 times. All right, let's pour some in, guys. I'm just gonna pour the 2 glasses out of it, guys. All right, my peeps, this is it. Yes, drink for long life. All right, and if you see it settling, don't watch no face, just go ahead and mix it up and drink it. All right, guys, love up on me and I love up on you, guys. This can quench your thirst. Yeah, bye, guys.